Print statement and function in Python. Python print function prints the message to the screen or any other standard output device. This is a syntax of print statement in Python. Here, values represent the any value, and as many as you like will be converted to string before printed. SEP means separator, specify how to separate the objects if there is more than one. End. Specify what to print at the end. File an object with a write method. Flush express the a boolean, specifying if the output is flushed, which means true, or buffered, which mean false. Returns, it returns output to the screen. The print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. The message can be a string or any other object. The object will be converted into a string before written to the screen. Let we discuss the first program in Python is Hello World. It is a simple program. Since it's a very simple program, it's often used to introduce a new programming language to beginners. Print Hello World. Also, we can say this is an example of a print statement, although it doesn't actually print anything on paper. It displays a result on the screen. In this case, the result is the words Hello World. Let we move to the program. Here I give function which is print Hello World. To run the program, press F5. It will show result as Hello World. This is one of the basic first Python program. We can also do this program in Python IDE. One of the best IDE are PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter. In next video we will discuss about top Python IDEs and installation process. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.